What is it about speed and cycling fast on the bike? On the surface it sounds very simple and straightforward, but it's anything but. If you think about it, the mechanics of riding your bike fast is very, very simple and straightforward. You just need to pedal as fast as you can in the highest gear that you can. The higher the gear, the faster you're going to go. The faster you pedal, the faster you're going to go. And if you can do a combination of the two, well, your speed goes right up. Now I suppose some little kid riding a broken tricycle could tell you that much. The next level would be how do you actually pedal faster in a higher gear? Well, pedaling fast, regardless of the gear that you're in, is all about cardiovascular fitness, and pedaling in a higher gear is all about leg strength. Obviously, the challenge is going to come when you're unfit and overweight. If you're unfit, you can't pedal as fast for as long, and if you're a bit on the heavy side, then using the gears becomes a little bit of a challenge, because the moment the road starts to go up, your power to weight ratio comes into play and climbing just becomes particularly difficult, or at least more difficult than somebody who's a bit lighter than you are. This is basically the situation that I find myself in quite frequently. And when I start thinking about how slow I'm cycling and how much work I've got to do, I don't mind admitting that I do find it rather depressing. To try and cheer myself up, I just think to myself, right, what can I do to improve my speed? And that just basically boils down to pedaling faster to improve my cardiovascular fitness, cycling in slightly higher gears to improve my leg strength, and then obviously trying to lose a bit of weight through better nutrition to improve my power to weight ratio. Regular viewers will know that this is not really a weight loss channel, although losing a few kilos here and there is always going to be healthy and of great benefit to your cycling. And with that in mind, I have lost a few kilos from time to time, and I've certainly noticed that my climbing abilities improved and my power to weight ratios improved. And that said as well, you know, I will be focusing on my cadence, trying to get my cadence up, although I think I do pedal reasonably fast as it is. It's normally between about 90 and 95 revs, so as my cardiovascular fitness increases, I hope to be able to maintain that sort of cadence for a bit longer. And then of course just improving my leg strength by riding up more climbs in slightly higher gears with lower cadence. But on a day like today though, it's not so much about trying to improve fitness or leg strength or anything like that. It's just out and about enjoying the weather. Today's one of these first kind of early spring days where the temperature is above about 10 degrees, although it's actually only 9 degrees at the moment. But as you can see, the sun is shining and it's just a nice day to be out on the bike. And of course, any ride that you're doing, be it pushing it hard or just gently turning the pedals over, is going to be far more beneficial for your mind and your body than laying on the sofa and watching Love Island. Spring is most definitely in the air. The daffodils are out, snowdrops are out, and yes, summer can't be that far behind now. Really looking forward to getting out and it not being freezing cold. Not the longest or the most strenuous ride I've done recently, but it was still nevertheless a very pleasant little spin out in this early spring sunshine. And Cadence is actually one of the most underrated skills for us cyclists, and if you really want to up your cadence game, then click on the video just here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.